Okay, let's just get right into it. We're all feeling it, right? This massive shift with AI, it's like the ground is moving under our feet. But what if this wasn't something to just survive? What if you could actually thrive in it? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. I'm going to lay out a super clear 5-step roadmap for you to totally transform your career and really truly master this incredible technology.
Look, to say things are changing, that's a massive understatement. This isn't just, a new app on your phone or some fancy software update. No. We're talking about a fundamental rewiring of how we work, how we think, how everything gets done. And the speed, it's insane. We've never seen anything like it.
Yeah, and this quote really hits it home. It's not just about a few new tools. It's about a whole new era. Think about it. Large language models are putting all this knowledge at our fingertips, and AI agents, they're becoming our collaborators, our assistants, sometimes even our subordinates. It's a completely different world we're stepping into.
So, okay, what does that actually mean for you, for your job? Let's be real, the job market is absolutely shifting. A lot of those routine entry-level tasks, well, they're being automated away. That whole landscape is shrinking, and yeah, that can feel a little scary. It's happening right now.
But, and this is so important, this is where we have to flip the script. This is not the end of the story. It's a redefinition. It's not a threat to you. Instead, think of it as an invitation, a chance to step into this new, way more powerful identity.
And the opportunity here? It's just staggering. I mean, sure, some doors might be closing, but entire new universes are opening up. The source material is so clear on this point. For people who learn to become skilled AI architects, the horizon is, get this, limitless. Just let that sink in for a second. Not just good, not just better, limitless.
In this slide right here, this is the heart of that identity shift. In the past, maybe you were just a worker, someone who just executed tasks. But the future, the future is you as the creator, the manager, the practitioner of AI. You're the one in the driver's seat now.
So the big question is, how do you actually make that leap? How do you go from worker to architect? Well, that's what this is all about. Thankfully, the source lays out a super clear, totally actionable 5-step roadmap to get you there.
All right, here they are, the 5 steps. First, commit to radical curiosity. Second, become a problem hunter. Third, build in public. Fourth, maintain a bias for action. And finally, number 5, you get to reap the rewards. Okay, so let's break each one of these down.
Okay, step 1. Commit to radical curiosity. And look, this isn't about just, reading an article every once in a while. We're talking about making continuous learning your new baseline, your default setting. And why is that so critical? Because AI doesn't stand still. It literally evolves every single day. So you have to. Then step 2 builds right on top of that. Become a problem hunter. I absolutely love this phrase. It's not about passively waiting for problems to pop up. No, it's about actively hunting for them, looking for friction, for those little annoyances and inefficiencies in your work, and then asking that one magic question: how can I use my AI tools to fix this? All right, the next 2 steps are super important, and they really go hand in hand. Step 3 is to build in public. Solving a problem for yourself is cool, but sharing what you're doing, sharing your solutions, that is a total game changer. It's how you build a network, find new opportunities, maybe even new revenue streams. And that leads right into step 4, maintain a bias for action. Because look, thinking about it is one thing, but you've got to get your hands dirty. Theory isn't going to cut it. The real learning happens when you're actually doing. So yeah, be patient, but you have to start.
Okay, so you do all this. You get curious, you hunt problems, you build in public, you take action. What's the payoff? What's the big reward at the end of the road? Well, I can tell you it's way, way more than just a bigger paycheck.
This is it. This is the real prize. It's not just about getting ahead at work. It's that deep satisfaction of having mastered the most powerful technology of our time. I mean, wow, that's a reward that fundamentally changes how you see yourself and what you're capable of. So there you have it. We've talked about this huge transformation, this brand new identity as an AI architect, and we've laid out the 5 steps to get there. The roadmap is clear. The path is right there in front of you. Now, the choice is yours.
And really, it all boils down to this one simple question. We know for a fact AI is evolving every single day. So the only real question left is, will you?